Hey guys, welcome back to Reset with P. If you have ever said, I really want to read more books this year, and then never made it past chapter 3, don't worry, we have all been there. So today, I'm sharing some real, practical, and very doable tips that have actually helped me read more, even with a busy schedule, low attention span, and occasional laziness. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing is don't start with what everybody says you should read. Start with what you actually enjoy. If I am reading something and it feels like a chore, I won't finish it. And that's okay. I personally pick 100 to 150 pages book unless it's from my favorite genre. That way I finish more books, feel motivated and slowly build consistency. Remember, it's not about reading heavy books, it's about enjoying reading again. The next tip is making a simple reading calendar. This one literally changed the game for me. Nothing fancy, just marking days I read and noting which book I am on. When you see your progress visually, even a little check mark, it gives you a small dopamine hit that keeps you going. You can even write mini goals like week 1 I finished this book, week 2 reading 10 pages every day. That's all. Trust me, it works. The third tip is reading in pockets of time. You don't need one big reading hour every day. I read in small pockets of time while having chai, before bed, or when I want a break from my phone. Even 10 pages in the morning and 10 pages before sleeping makes it 20 pages a day. That's 600 pages a month. Basically, 4 to 5 normal books without even realizing it. Next tip is mix genre and moods. Sometimes we get stuck because we are forcing ourselves to read only one kind of book. I keep two books at once, one light and one heavy. So if I'm not in the mood for something intense like The Metamorphosis, I switch to something easier like The Art of Being Alone. This way, I never feel bored or stuck, and my reading stays consistent. The last and most important tip is make reading feel like rest, not work. I think this is the most important one. The moment reading feels like a task, you'll stop doing it. So instead of making it your productivity routine, make it a part of your wind down routine. Light a candle, have tea, sit by your window, make reading a comfort place. Because when you enjoy the process, you automatically read more. So, yeah, these are the small things that help me read more. Choosing short books, making a reading calendar, reading in small pockets of time, mixing genre, and treating reading like a self care. If you are someone who wants to read more next year, I hope this video gives you a little push. And if you have any reading tips of your own, drop them in the comments. I would love to try them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this with the fellow readers. Until next time, keep resetting, keep reading. Bye.